Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to bring a few crafts for you today that you can do with your kids at home. And this is really a fun craft that I found, and it's a snake. And I think your kids would really like to make him. I know it was fun making it, I thought. I had a real snake by my steps this spring, and he was a lot longer than this, but I think these are cute, and I think the kids would like having this around. So all you need is one of these pipe cleaners or chenille stems or whatever you call them, and then you take beads, whatever colors you want. I made this color, so I used the green and the black, and I also made this guy. I thought it was kind of fun to invent a snake of your own creation. Just make a snake be all the colors that you would like to have your snake be. So I just had a whole tray of beads, and I used whatever I wanted to make my snake. I used a pom-pom for the head. And you need the pipe cleaners. So you need pipe cleaners, beads, and one big pom-pom for the head. And then you also need to give him a tongue. And I used this foam for the tongue. See? That way his tongue is real sturdy. So that's my little craft for you. Make yourself a little garden snake, and he can be any color you want him to be. Thank you. And just string the beads on, and at the very end you're going to make a little twist so that the beads don't slide off, and that's all you need to do. Happy crafting. Have fun. Bye.